So I got this RC tank, more of a tracked armored utility vehicle, and I thought, what if I put a camera on top? First I tried a chin mount with chest mount hardware to put my phone on it, and then I thought, well, that's wobbly and it even tipped over. I wonder if I could get something else. So you'll see I kind of have a GoPro mount there. That's actually an Insta360 bicycle seat mount, but it fits better on this RC car than it does on the bicycle seat. I wonder if the RC car was designed on purpose this way. Now it's super easy to put my phone or any kind of action camera on top of this RC toy. Here, I'm going to test it out with a view from the cheap action camera I have. Because the audio is so terrible, I just turn audio recording off on this camera and catch video. It works as a dash cam as well, so that's nice. Also, if I need to do anything dangerous and risky with the camera, I'll use this one. If audio is not an issue, I'll just dunk it underwater with the waterproof case or put it somewhere it could get smacked and not worry about it one bit. Because I'm holding a selfie stick in one hand, I'm trying to steer with my chin. There's the compost pile. Okay, after this clip, we're switching back to one camera so I can drive better. Okay, let's take a quick break because I want to show you the lights on this thing. Let's go inside for a second. I really like how slow or fast this tank can go. It's got really good speed control. Although it can be touchy and takes a little practice to get used to. If you're interested in the bicycle seat mount or the chest mount or the radio control track utility vehicle, please see links in the description for purchasing on Amazon. I don't recommend trying to use the bicycle helmet chin mount on the RC toy, but it does work great for the bike. To clarify, in this view, I took the phone mount from the chest harness and put it on the chin mount. But don't try to use the chin mount phone combo on the helmet or it won't face the right direction. So for the helmet, I'm sticking with action cameras, only not iPhones. By the way, the reason I have these yellow striped cable protector ramps over my drip irrigation tubing is because it's on a backyard bike path. It also fits garden hoses over the driveway. Well, that does it for this video. See you later. Remember to subscribe and click the bell so you can come back for the next video. Thanks for watching.